guys, welcome back. It's me, Scotty, and today we're gonna play more Roblox. So we're gonna play Tornado Siren Museum. So the second Siren we have is a 2T22. Pretty awesome. And then now we got EOW 612. I think you guys got this in well, we got this siren in, so you know the EOW 612. So in Hidden Valley, me and my dad were looking at this EOW 612 right now, and they said they got in Hidden Valley. And I said, "Oh, it's pretty cool. It's in Hidden Valley. Let's go check it out." And so yeah, we checked out the EOW 612. It looked pretty cool. It had 6 speakers. So now we got a wheel in. I know that kind of bothers your ear. And right here, it's a alerter. This is a alerter. Every time when I see this siren, it reminds me of a toilet siren. Look. Watch when the siren comes around. It looks like a toilet. Watch. Look at it. It looks like a toilet. Okay, we're probably going to do one more siren. And this is the Thunderbolt 1000T. This is a pretty siren. It's yellow. And let's test it. Did you hear that beep? It's a boop. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'm a Siren fan and a YouTuber fan. There we go. It's facing toward us. I expected that. Leave me a link in the comments below and tell me if you want me to play Farm Simulator, GTA 5, anything. So I'll see you later. See ya. And leave me a comment below and tell me if you want me to play any more games. Bye.